Are you ready for a challenge? Let's do the lightning round. What did the Emancipation Proclamation do? Freed the slaves. Name 2 U.S. national holidays. New Year's Day, and my favorite, Christmas. When must all men register for the Selective Service? At age 18. What are the 2 major political parties in the United States? Democratic and Republican. How old do citizens have to be to vote for president? 18 and older. Who did the United States fight in World War II? Japan, Italy, and Germany. If you like acronyms, that spells JIG. J-I-G. The House of Representatives has how many voting members? 435. Who was the first president? George Washington. Who is in charge of the executive branch? The president. How many justices are on the Supreme Court? 9. And it has to be an odd number to make that decision. So 9.